Let us consider this sum based on electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation of wavelength lambda is equal to 242 nanometer. It is just sufficient to ionize the sodium atom. What is the ionization energy in terms of kilojoule per mole? This is the question. The concept is E is equal to Avogadro's number into h nu. Why I have put Avogadro's number? Because it is asked a kilojoule per mole. So for 1 mole, we have the Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 power 23. So we have such amount, that is count 6.022 into 10 power 23. Number of ions are available in 1 mole. So the energy required for this of 1 mole of atom. In this case, now we had to proceed. It is given as E is equal to, we already know E is equal to h nu. But for n number of photons, so we need to provide n. In this case, Avogadro's number. So you can either use E is equal to, this is our formula, E is equal to nh nu. This is number of photons. But here it is asked in per mole. So I have introduced in place of n Avogadro's number. Okay, so this is the original formula, and now we have modified in accordance with the problem here. Right. So E is equal to, and here Avogadro's number. We know the Avogadro's number. What is that? But unfortunately, it is given as a nu, but they have given lambda. So we have another equation, that is C is equal to nu lambda. Therefore, nu is equal to C by lambda. So we can make use of this equation. We can substitute nu by C by lambda. Therefore, Na into H. Instead of nu, you can put C by lambda. So this is the final formula where we are going to substitute the given values. And we know already C is equal to the velocity of light. So it's a constant value, 3.0 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So we can effectively make use of these values. So Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 power 23, and h value, the value of h is equal to, that is Planck's constant. It is given as 6.626 into 10 power minus 31, and joule 34 joule per second. Okay, so this is the value, not joule per second, joule second. Remember, joule second. Now, so you can introduce a 6.626 into 10 power 34. Okay, 10 power minus 34. Right? Into, what is the constant value of C? 3.0, that is velocity of light, into 10 power 8 meter per second, divided by the lambda is given as 242. So 242, that is given as nanometer. So 242 into 10 power minus 9 meter. So these are all the input values. And you should have a good practice of working out the units also along with that. So what is the unit? 6.022, no unit. It is after all per mole. So you can put per mole. And 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. So put joule second. And here the velocity of light is given in meter per second, whole divided by lambda, that is given in meter. Okay, so s power minus 1 cancel, and you have m and m cancel. Now you have joule per mole, that's all. So, but it is asked as a kilojoule, we can do it finally. So always work out the 10 power terms. 10 power 23, 10 power minus 34, 10 power 8, 10 power minus 9. So you can adopt the a power m formula. You know already the algebraic formula. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Is the product rule, and the quotient rule is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So using this rule, you can first work out the 10th power, and you can isolate other values separately, and that can be done by using calculator, but in your case we have to use the logarithm table. So 6.022 into 6.626 into 3 divided by 242. So let me work out separately the 10th power. So 10 power 23 minus 34, and you have plus 8. Why? A power m into a power n, a power m plus n. Here 23 minus 34 and plus 8. So I put plus 8. And when you bring 10 power minus 9 to the numerator, it becomes 10 power plus 9. So I can put 9 plus 9. So first let us work out these things. So 23, 8, 31, 31 plus 9, 40. So 40 minus 34, that is 6. So our answer will appear in terms of 10 power 6. Okay. And then we have to work out these values. Let us work out by calculator. 6.022 into 6.626 into 3 divided by 242. The answer is 0.495. So 0.495. It means now they are asked in kilojoule. So this is joule per mole. So the final answer can be given as E is equal to 495, okay, into 10 cube. Is it not? Into 10 cube. 10 cube means that is kilojoule only. Is it not? So 10 cube joule, which is nothing but 495 kilojoule. Okay. So for the final answer is E is equal to 494 kilojoule. Okay. So this is the final answer. Do you understand?